The wait is over. Habia 2019 kits are ready to launch. Meet the new generation. The Beauty Therapy Pack. The Barber's Selection. Student Hairdressing Kit. The Elite Student Kit. The Professional Collection for the ultimate choice of high-quality, durable items. The official Habia kits are exclusive to habia.org. Following close work with colleges, the 2019 kits have been upgraded to further meet your requests. Durable bags measured to fit in lockers, now available in gold or black to ensure they always look clean even while surviving student life. Your logo can be printed on this stylish bag, advertising your organisation. This service is complimentary with bulk orders. Mix and match items to create your perfect kit with even more high-performance brands to choose from, including Denman, while keeping Jaguar and other high-quality manufacturers. We have worked hard to ensure the 2019 kits keep the same price as before. Hairdressing kits start at £89.99, the beauty pack starts at £29.99. Prices are ex-VAT with even further discounts available on larger orders. The only place to buy Habia kits is direct. Call 0845 6 123 555 or visit habia.org. Habia Kits 2019, an exclusive collection for the latest standards, selected by the people who set those standards. Habia.